guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we are going to go to a road that I found on Google Maps. It looks pretty cool. It's about 89 degrees here today, so super warm, still all geared up, and I am definitely feeling the warmth. Kelly Drive was shut down for a rowing event, I believe, so just had to do a little detour, but now we're back on track. Gonna try to find this cool little road, get into some wheelies, see what we can't find. If any of you guys watch Kill a Cam, you will recognize that gas station. I see him there a good amount. Well, I don't see him there. I see him on YouTube there a good amount. One day, though, I'll see him there on the bike with the GoPro on. That'll be pretty sick. It'll be epic when that happens, because I know it will happen one of these days. I'm basically manifesting it. All right, guys, this should be the street. Oh, that looks nice, too, actually. Let's rip a wheelie here quick. First one of the day, can't complain about that. These are some nice straight roads though. I like it, guys. A little abandoned house there, that's kind of cool. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I like this because it's completely out of the city. Seems pretty rural, pretty chill, and it's just like very cool back here. Cool temperature wise, but also cool in like a sick, awesome way, I guess, too. Some cobblestone. Man, I wonder who actually drives their car down this. Gotta love that first gear engine braking though, guys. Don't even have to touch the brakes. Look, nothing crazy sick as I was expecting. This guy's just yelling, I'm here, I don't want to get hit. That's fair of them though. Totally understand them not wanting to get hit. Yeah, he didn't want to wave. A little cowboy hat. Nice. It is beautiful on the water here. Like, so beautiful. Alright guys, just had our first GoPro glitch of the day, freeze. So hopefully we got it out of the way. Hopefully that's it. But I've heard a lot of other motovloggers having issues with the GoPros freezing too. So glad at least that I'm not completely alone. See, to me, like, this is harmless. Like, there's nobody here. I'm not doing wheelies near any cars. Like, so to get in trouble for something like this, it's just a bit silly to me. It's not like the bike isn't street legal either, so maybe that's just me, though. Oh! There it is. Train's coming. There it goes. Woo. Nope. No honk. There's no catching up to that. Oh my gosh, look at that rain cloud. That looks scary. This always happens to me. Like, it totally wasn't supposed to rain. To be fair, I didn't really check the forecast, but I guess since it's hot as fuck, it's not unrealistic to expect. One hand? That's terrible. Bro, first you gotta stay at balance point before you're doing a one-hander. You idiot. Trying to progress out here though, boys. As I am totally gonna get rained on. Let's quick check the weather. 88, 40% chance. Not even 50. Come on now. Oh, that air feels so good though. Sheesh, people. GoPro is so on its shit today. It's unreal. So quick. I definitely understand why you gotta lock your feet in for a one-hander. Because otherwise you just have no grip on the bike. I think we gotta get better at standard wheelies before we really try and push the no-handers or the one-handers. don't know what I'm saying. Huge difference between no-handers and one-handers, that's for sure. We're for certain gonna get rained on today. I can just feel it.
The wind is totally pushing me around on that. Man, sumos would be great on this road. I am still seriously considering getting them, guys. Seriously considering. I just go back and forth based on the day, though, just because I'm like, wow, this is $1,000. It's like over a quarter of what this bike is worth. So I don't know, I probably will still impulse buy them here shortly. So we do have an install that's going to be much sooner than the sumo wheels. And that has to do with the color of this. So we're changing it up. You guys will see very soon what the color is going to be. What's that, a leaf? I thought it was a chipmunk. Nobody's out here right now. It's a little bit sad. It really is. Holy gloves. Good thing it's Sunday because I got these holy gloves on. That's so cringe, bro. So cringe. Mega cheese. Mega cheesy. If I was smart, I would start heading home. To avoid the rain, but I'm not that smart, as you can tell. It is funny, guys, even though my wheelie's still kind of stuck, I feel like I've gotten loads better than I was the last time I came and rode here. So it's all about improvement. The vibes, immaculate. Can't complain. It's warm out. I'm able to ride. Life is good. I need to squeeze my legs on the tank to feel somewhat comfortable doing the no-hander. Or the one-hander, bro. I can't speak. I'm sorry. I know I'm offending everyone out there. They're like, bro, your wheelies suck. You can't even do a one-hander, let alone a no-hander. So shut the fuck up. My apologies, stunt god. It's funny because I was chasing a wheelie, but that probably looks the best out of all of them so far. Let's do it again. Oh my god. I think the issue with one-handers right now for me is it's pulling too much concentration off the rear brake and bringing it to like the one hand and like being stable, which is bad for me. I think I'll loop if I keep trying to do that. I just need to continue to work on standard sit-down wheelies and get like super dialed on them before I really try the one-handers. In case anyone's wondering, I do now have a replaced clutch and upgraded Barnett clutch springs. Now, if that makes a difference, I do have those. I really don't think it makes a huge difference. Like, to wheelie this, you don't need those upgraded springs. They probably help. But I was doing wheelies, you know, before I even had these upgraded clutch springs as well as new clutch. So it's totally possible. I just figured I'd mention it. And again, I pop up the wheelie in second gear and just try to get to balance point. It's all it's about, guys. Just freaking practice. Like, doesn't matter what bike you have. I mean, the bike helps, obviously, but it really doesn't matter what bike you have. Doesn't matter how new it is. Doesn't matter anything. All that matters is that you get out and get seat time. Like, literally, that's the only way you're gonna improve. All the guys that are so fucking good, they weren't just good. They didn't just wake up, but they didn't have the natural talent. Some people are obviously super talented, but it's mostly skill. They are out all the time, and they practice. It's all about practice. Well, guys, in typical Connor fashion, GoPro's about to die, got 10% left, and as you can tell, it's completely pouring out. Looks like his cover fell off. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know how much I'm gonna, oh my god, this is terrible. This is literally terrible. Alright, I gotta find somewhere to pull over. Oh my gosh. Fuck this shit. Oh my goodness. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit.